to my channel. So today we are actually going to be doing a hair and makeup tutorial. So this is a unit that is from Megalook. I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this honey color, which I think is really pretty. I don't know if it's honey or if it's more like a chocolate. Like, I don't know. Like, what do you guys think? But anyhow, and so I'm going to show you guys how I took it from a 1B to this color right here. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright you guys, so we're going to get straight into it. I am just bleaching the hair. And I think this is the, I want to say Kaleidoscopes bleach. But I feel like that's not the name. But I got the bleach from Sally's. I'll put the specific name down below for you guys. When doing this hair, you guys, I honestly didn't have any like particular way. It was kind of sloppy because it was a rush job, but also because it was ombre, I wasn't really pressed to do it in a particular order. So that's why you see me kind of slanging that bleach, literally slanging it on the hair. Plus it was a pre-made wig. And I knew kind of exactly how I wanted to do it. So as I went up to where the roots are, you will see me take the brush at an angle and kind of swipe just to make sure that there's some sort of variation, you know, with the ombre. The color that I was going for was like a chocolate color, but it became like sort of a chocolate, sort of honey brown color. So I took the wig off the foil, turned it over, put some more bleach to make sure, you know, it went through properly. I'm also going to take that big comb that you see in the video and comb through it just to make sure all that bleach is worked through right. And yeah, I know I fast forwarded this video. There's tons of videos of bleaching on here, so it really wasn't something that I was kind of focusing on, but I did want to share with you guys how I got the color just in case you guys ask. I will try to make sure that I do add all of the products that I use on this hair. As far as the developer, I use a 30. And I'm just working the bleach through, just, you know, taking my fingers and making sure everything is nice and saturated, and just going over the areas that is not. You got. So this is how the hair looked once I air dried it. I added a little bit of my styling foam on it, just lightly, because I am going to go in and pluck the hairline just to make it a little natural. I love the way the hair looked. I love the way the color came out. I didn't want to go too light because that's not what I was going for. Something was, you know, that was winter appropriate, even though you can wear blonde and different variations all throughout the year. I just didn't want to go too light because that's pretty much what I do for my summer and like my natural hair. Alright, so I'm just going to go in and pluck the hair. You guys have seen me do this before. I know someone said they wanted a detailed baby hair video. If you guys truly want a detailed video, I will get one on. But if it's not that important, it is what it is. And so I'm just going through and parting half an inch to an inch from the hairline, leaving like the baby hairs and a little bit left separate, I'm sorry, and then using my little, I don't know if they're banana clips or whatever they're called. I got them off of Amazon. I get a lot of questions on them. I will link them down below to my store. Definitely check them out, because you guys, I will not be using regular clips anymore because they hold the hair anytime I need it. So like, I love it. So I'm just going to take those clips and clip them and just begin to take my tweezers and pluck the hairs. I'm not going to over pluck because sometimes I know that's super easy to do. I just lightly pluck because it's curly hair, so it's, you know, it's not going to be straight or pulled back or anything like that. So it was perfect. This is the color and this is how it looks on my skin. I'm just going to take those same clips, peel my hair back, and then begin to apply this bed head, hard head, I believe it's called. I will link it down below. LaRasia, she freaking raved about this product being better than the Is It Gots to Be spray. And I used it, and I will have to say, honey, I will have to say that it is freaking amazing. I'll link it down below. Definitely check it out if you have not. I was primarily looking for something that would lay like the flaps down for me on my wigs. I really don't care about everything else because my wig, it fits primarily. And so I wanted something that would be good for temporary, as well as if I needed to wear it for a long period of time. I will say that this stuff it's the bomb. Like, it really, really is. So I'm just taking that spray, spraying a light layer, only because I wasn't going anywhere important. So I just wanted to do this video for you guys. And y'all can see that it is like the application is pretty seamless with this spray. So I will say that I was really, really shocked. I love the way the wig laid. I didn't pluck it too much. I just spraying just a little bit on the front part just to make sure that that is laid down. Now this is going to be a two-part video, so I hope you guys join me for the second part, which is going to be the full look with the hair fully just, you know, fully styled. So stay tuned for that. And I do want to thank you guys once again for watching. If you are not, take the time to subscribe and tap that notification bell. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video. Later. Yeah, I think this hair is really, really, really cute so far. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know. And I will see you guys later.